Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock Facebook profile. So guys, if you want to lock your Facebook profile, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open your Facebook, and once you are here you have to simply tap on settings or menu button and then go to your profile. And once you are here you have to simply tap on this three dot button, and from here you have to simply scroll it below, and here you will see the option for lock profile. So I simply tap on this, and after this tap on lock your profile, and after this you have to simply follow the instructions. So guys, here you can see this, your profile will be locked when you tap on lock this profile. So guys, in this way you can also lock or unlock your Facebook profile very easily. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily unlock it. So guys, that's for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.